Okay, part two. Sorry, ran out of time. So speaking of running out of time, you don't want to run out of time when you're taking the DBQ test. So that's why we're going to practice it. Okay. Let's see. I think I got one or two other things on here real quick. As far as resources, I've got some that are going to be on your weekly lesson plans. Tom Ritchie made a Renaissance DBQ we're going to do this week. Remember, a little review is better than none at all. So even if you don't have time to sit down this week and do a 45-minute practice DBQ, maybe just do pieces of it. Maybe write a thesis and send that to me. Maybe write some points of view for the documents, or at least look at the documents and come up with a paragraph of context, okay? So it's just reminding you of the things that you can use on here. And just remember that a lot of the information is already ingrained in you. You've already learned a lot of these skills. You just have to practice them before the test. So the last thing on here is just a note from me, just reminding you that you're in the middle of a crisis. You're living through a crisis in history, and I imagine these tests are going to be heavily curved. No one's going to be able to get the full amount of points in 45 minutes. So I think you stand a really good chance with this. Also, remember that one test is not going to shape the course of your life. If you don't do well on this test, if you don't get the college credit that you're hoping for, you took it at home during a pandemic, when we had missed 9 weeks of school. So please don't feel like this is the end all be all of your school career. If you choose to take the test, if you choose not to take the test, if you do well on the test, if you bomb the test, it's not going to affect how I think of you or how anybody really thinks of you at school. So just remember, I just want you guys to know that I'm proud of you. And I know that this is very overwhelming to have all this information kind of thrown at you at once. But just let you know that I miss you, and just email me anytime that you have any questions or anything. And I'll do my best to get feedback to you pretty soon, within a couple of days after you submit any of these timed essays that you're doing or any pieces of essays that you're doing. And if you have any questions, just let me know. So I'm here to help you. I love you guys. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you again next week. So take a look at the week 5 lesson plans and pick out what you're going to do this week. I'll talk to you later. Bye.